Hi guys, this is Louis from Novsight team. Today I'm going to show you how to install these LED headlights properly. Before I start it, let me show you guys the Novsight LED family. Novsight currently has 3 types of LED headlights: the mini version, headlights with built-in dryer, and external driver. This part over here is the LED chipset, which is the most important and fragile parts of LEDs. So please be careful when installing. Try not to touch it or break it. This part is the aluminum heatsink and fan to cool down component. Of course, we have products with fanless design. This part is the driver of LEDs. For built-in drivers, headlights, and the mini models, the drivers is built inside the products. But normally, these high-power driven headlights need an outside dryer to provide higher efficiency. Moving on is the locking ring of the LED headlight. This part has the same structure as the halogen headlights. This little ring here is to fix the body in the housing. Have to mention that the locking ring is different from models to models. Finally, here is the connector of the LED headlights. This part is also the same structure as the halogen headlights to ensure that the connector on the car can be connected properly. Okay, I have to mention that some products might have polarity in the connector. You need to change the positive and negative poles and try it again if you fail to light them up for the first time. Let's take a look at how to install H4 9003 bulbs. First, disconnect the vehicle connector, remove the rubber cover, push down the bulb spring to release it, and then take out the original bulb. Insert the LED car lights into the housing and fix it with the bulb spring. The flat sides of the bulb needs to be facing at 3 and 9 o'clock when you install the LEDs. Put the original rubber cover into the vehicle light housing and secure it in place. Connect the LED bulb connector with the original one. Start the car and drive to a position 10 meters in front of the wall or garage door. Turn on the lights to see if it's working properly, and switch the high and low beam lights at the same time to check whether the beam pattern projected by the high and low beam lights on the wall is consistent with the standard beam pattern. Please pay attention to the H4 and 9003 bulbs are easily to be turned up and down by mistake, which will cause the wrong beam pattern to blind oncoming vehicles. So we need to install it correctly according to the instruction and double check the beam pattern before you hit the road. Novsight team has been providing safe, easy to use, high quality auto parts products with advanced technology for global car owners for over 10 years.